KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio visual and control systems.
Hey, KeyDigital YouTube fans, Dan O'Donnell here with Jonathan Ferry, and today we're talking about esports and some of the cool things that we're seeing in esports. You know, tremendous opportunity, up and coming, multi-billion-dollar industry, and KeyDigital can be your partner within this exciting vertical. So I want to ask Jonathan a few questions, talk about what we're seeing right now from our integration partners and really large end users on what they're looking for esports. So without further ado, let me introduce my partner in crime, Jonathan. And Jonathan, as far as esports and some of the stuff that you're seeing, you know, what would you say is probably the most common system that you're seeing, you know, in the esports application?
Yeah, well, there's specialized computers in esports that allow for, and servers even, that allow for multiple players to be part of that game. Now, what happens is that is, let's just call it a supercomputer, super server, and then we're complementing on the back end of that supercomputer, handling all of the video distribution needs, regardless of the resolution and the distance requirements. We have the capability to deliver that.
Awesome. So if I have, let's say, two gamers going head-to-head at a main event, and I want to display it on 80 screens, is that something that we could do?
Oh, totally. Yeah. You could do it that way. You could do it through video over IP, or you could do it with traditional distribution amplifiers. For 80 screens, video over IP is probably going to be the way to look. And you could even do really cool things like creating a large video wall showing those the gameplay across multiple displays, or tile, if you will, multi-view, having multiple contents play on a single large screen with KeyDigital's products.
That'd be awesome. We should have a Madden tournament with football season just kicking off. We should have like a Madden tournament in the office and maybe show people what's up.
I'm more of an EA Sports NHL kid, but I'm down. Count me in, Danny.
All right, good. So you know Jonathan's always ready to battle someone in NHL. What is it? NHL 2K? What are they playing now?
NHL 18. We call it the Chell.
Oh, okay, cool. Or we could break out the old Sega Genesis and play NHL 95 and then throw down that way and play for money, right? So that'd be fun.
Let's do it.
Anyway, check out KeyDigital.com. Follow us on all social media platforms. Please like this video and share this video, and we'll see you real soon.